What is the benefit of Cmed 100 and exogenous ketones? One of the things inside of all the Prove It formulas that we like to do is create a synergy amongst ingredients. Ingredients aren't just added to just say, oh, here's one thing, here's another. They're meant to enhance each other. And when it comes to ketones and Cmed 100, we see that very clearly. Cmed 100 is one of the only ingredients that's been shown to help repair DNA, while ketones have a variety of different benefits, both which can help anti-aging, longevity, and overall better focus and cognitive performance.